Welcome to episode 21 of the Small Business Blueprint. Today we will talk about registered agent service versus doing it yourself. Thanks to Daniel from Miami, Florida for subscribing and requesting this video. I'm Katie Sainors, certified financial planner and enrolled agent licensed by the U.S. Department of the Treasury. Let's get going. Every limited liability company and corporation is required by state law to designate a registered agent before conducting any business. This designated person or entity acts as the official point of contact between your business and the state government. Their primary responsibility is receiving important legal documents, tax notices, compliance reminders, and service of process if your business is ever involved in a lawsuit. When establishing your company, you generally face two choices for fulfilling this requirement. You can act as your own registered agent, which we refer to as the do-it-yourself route, or you can hire a professional registered agent service. Choosing the do-it-yourself option means you will list your own personal name and physical address on the state public record. The most obvious advantage to this approach is the cost savings. By acting as your own agent, you will not have to pay an annual fee to a third-party provider. However, taking on this role comes with strict legal requirements that many new business owners overlook. You must be physically present at the listed address during standard business hours, which is generally Monday through Friday from 9 in the morning until 5 in the evening. If a process server attempts to deliver legal documents and you are not available to receive them, the consequences can be severe. Failing to respond to a lawsuit because you missed the delivery can result in a default judgment against your business. This means the court could rule in favor of the person suing you simply because you were not there to defend yourself. Furthermore, the address you provide to the state becomes part of the permanent public record. If you run a home-based business, your personal residential address will be easily searchable by anyone on the internet. This loss of privacy is a significant factor for many entrepreneurs. You also take on the full responsibility of tracking your own state compliance deadlines, such as annual report filings and franchise tax payments. Missing these state deadlines often leads to financial penalties or the administrative dissolution of your company. For those that are new to the channel, this is episode 21 of the Small Business Blueprint. We call it the Blueprint because we have a video for almost every step you will encounter when starting and running your business. From choosing your business structure, setting up your accounting, hiring employees, banking, insurance, all the way to everyone's favorite business topic, taxes. Hiring a professional registered agent service shifts these heavy responsibilities to a specialized third party. A commercial registered agent provides their own physical corporate address to the state, keeping your personal home address completely off the public record. When legal documents or official state notices arrive, the service accepts them on your behalf. They typically scan the documents immediately and securely upload them to an online dashboard for your review. This system ensures you never miss a critical notice, even if you are traveling, working off-site, or taking a vacation. You will officially designate your choice of agent when filing your initial formation documents with the state. Here's what the actual form looks like when you file your articles of organization. You will see a specific section requiring the exact name and physical street address of your registered agent. A post office box is strictly prohibited by state law for this purpose, meaning you must use a real street address. If you want to see how this information is displayed to the public, let's check out the website where you do this. On any state Secretary of State business search portal, you can type in a company name and immediately view their registered agent details. This includes the exact street address where they can be found during the day. Sometimes business owners try to bypass the cost by asking a friend or family member to act as their registered agent. While this is legally permissible as long as the person lives in the state and has a physical address, it introduces significant risk. If that friend goes on vacation, moves to a new apartment, or simply forgets to give you a time-sensitive legal notice, your business is the one that suffers the consequences. The state does not accept excuses for missing a court date. As we talked about in our What is an LLC video, maintaining the corporate veil is essential for protecting your personal assets from business liabilities. Failing to maintain a valid registered agent can lead to administrative dissolution. If your company is dissolved by the state, you lose your liability protection. This means creditors could potentially come after your personal bank accounts or your home to settle business debts. A professional service acts as an insurance policy for your corporate veil by ensuring your registration never lapses due to a missed piece of mail. They often provide automated reminders for your annual state filings, which significantly reduces the administrative burden on your schedule. The cost for a commercial service generally ranges from $100 to $300 per year, depending on the provider and the features included. Another critical factor to consider is future business expansion. If your company grows and you want to operate in a neighboring state, you must undergo a process called foreign qualification. State law requires you to have a physical presence in that new jurisdiction to receive legal mail. Since you cannot physically be in two places at once, acting as your own registered agent becomes impossible across state lines. A national registered agent service solves this problem by providing a local address in all 50 states. Let's look at a real-world example using our recurring fictional business, Kennels and Tensor Intelligence Enterprises. If Katie decides to open a second location across the state border, the business must register in that new state. Instead of scrambling to find a trusted friend or a new local service in the second state, the business can simply add the new jurisdiction to their existing commercial registered agent account. This centralizes all legal correspondence into one single dashboard, making multi-state compliance incredibly easy to manage. If you start your business using the do-it-yourself method and later decide you want more privacy or flexibility, you are allowed to change your mind. However, changing your registered agent requires filing a formal amendment with the state and usually paying a filing fee. This fee can range from $20 to over $100 depending on your location. Because of this, it is often more cost-effective to choose the right option from the very beginning. When weighing your options, the do-it-yourself route is best for business owners who operate a commercial storefront with consistent operating hours, do not mind their address being public, and have zero budget for additional services. On the other hand, a professional service is best for home-based business owners who prioritize their privacy, entrepreneurs who travel frequently, and businesses planning to expand into multiple states. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your legal documents are handled professionally is often worth the annual fee. To summarize, acting as your own registered agent saves money but sacrifices privacy and ties you to a specific location during business hours, while hiring a professional service protects your personal address and ensures you never miss important legal correspondence. Whether you are using Busy or LegalZoom to manage this, I have linked our recommended affiliates in the description below, which means the channel may earn a small commission if you use them at no extra cost to you. Taking the time to protect your privacy and set up proper compliance shows just how dedicated you are to building a secure foundation for your business. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie Sainors. I hope to see you for my next video where I'll be talking about everyone's favorite topic, taxes. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace personalized tax or financial advice. Always consult a professional for your specific situation.